Hola, yo, what it is, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Rarky. I really don't know how I'm gonna pronounce it, but it spells something like that. Well, anyways, I have a package that's been sitting here for almost a week now, and I'm pretty sure I already know what it is because I've only ordered one thing, and it better be what it is. But anyways, this is what we're doing today. Oh, and there goes my brother right there, Lick. Okay, so the Lude got coilovers. It's pretty low, but when you lower a car, the wheels are no longer straight up. It gets kind of curved like this. So, if you can tell, it's a little angled. So right here, if you haven't figured it out, this is a camber kit. I'm gonna be putting in a camber kit for the Lude. Bro, we going?
Get out of your way.
Sorry, we scared them off. Well, we're gonna be putting in camber kit for the front wheels. And I definitely don't know what I'm doing right now. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's simple. It should be just like the ball joints where I can press it out with the press or with that little tool I have. But I did do research online, and a lot of people will just like replace the whole upper control arm because it comes with the ball joint. But since this is a adjustable camber kit, I have to put in the ball joints itself. Because pretty much what it is the ball joint, but with like some type of adjuster. I can't really explain it because I don't really know how it works, and I haven't really even looked at the part yet. But let's see how it looks. And yo, did you guess it? These are SPC Performance ball joints. I never even heard of SPC Performance, but apparently this is a good brand. So yeah, let's check them out. Open. Well, here we are. See? Looks just like an ordinary ball joint. Whoa. Cool. Dude, look, it even comes with the castle nut and a cotter pin. For whatever reason, the Honda ones didn't come with the castle nut. So, pretty awesome, yo. Good job, SPC. You're amazing. But see the top part right here? It has a little nut, screw, whatever you want to call it, bolt for you to adjust it. And it'll adjust this wheel more straight or more inward. But yeah, it's about a little past 1 o'clock. I want to try to get this done before 5 so I can hit up like an alignment shop. Today's Saturday, and I'm pretty sure no alignment shop is going to be open tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have time on Monday to go because I'm going to be working. So let's try and knock this out ASAP. Yeah. All right, so for those of you who don't really know about camber kits, I don't either, but with my limited knowledge, I'm going to try to explain it to you. Here's the ball joint. See that picture? This is what mounts into the control arm that you got to press in. But as you can see right there, I got it pressed in. It was kind of hard, but it's in there. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Let me put that back on. All right, so the ball joint just goes in right here. This thick part has to stick outward towards the tire. Just like that. This piece, which is the next piece up, that goes on the top part of the control arm, and the washer and nut. So this is how I adjust my camber. You just move this to wherever you want. I think the middle is like flush, like regular. So I just put it like 1 bar closer outward. Because remember, the wheel was close to the fender, so I want to push it out a little bit. So if this is normal in the middle, I'm gonna push it outward by going up by 1 bar. I don't know if 2 is good, but somewhere around here. So once I found where I wanted, I put the washer on, and this lug nut, you gotta put it upside down so it'll hold that washer in place. Yeah. All right, we got 1 down, 1 more to go. It's about 3:20. I don't think I'm gonna finish this in time to hit up an alignment shop. So hopefully my adjustment is pretty on point and I could drive it to work and back for a few days before I do alignment. Yeah. Yo, I figured since I'm already here, I went ahead and zeroed out the coilovers. So now it's gonna be sitting as low as it can. I'm gonna do it on both sides, and more than likely, I'm gonna be rubbing like crazy. But from there, I could slowly adjust how high to raise the car. So, yeah. Yo, I really don't want to do it, guys, but put out the control arm. I was so close, but yo, with the amount of space I had and the angle, it would just not come out. I tried so hard to get this out, but I couldn't. So I ended up having to take this whole thing out And if anything, it's gonna be easier to put the new ball joint in. I tried, but no reason to hang our head over it. Let's go and keep moving on. Yeah. All right, so it took a lot longer than expected, but yo, I finally got everything put back together, and we can see how the Lude sits. Remember, I maxed out on the coilovers, so I'm probably gonna be sitting on the tire. Let's do this thing. Oh shoot. Oh. All right, so it still looks like we have a little bit of camber, which isn't terrible. Here's the driver's side. Yeah, we definitely still have camber. Sheesh. As far as fitment goes, yo, this looks pretty close to the tire. Wow, I could hardly stick one finger in here. But it still might be just good enough for me to turn. Ooh, pretty close. And yeah, I could definitely put like less than the other side. But yo, I mean, it's not sitting on there. Maybe when I have two people in the car, it'll be sitting flat on the tire. Well, shoot, guys, I'm super tired. That's gonna be it for this video. I would take it out for a drive and whatnot, but man, I just feel like chilling. I'm gonna go grab a beer and go chill with my lady. Yeah. But anyways, thanks for checking in, guys. See you on the next one. I know I keep saying this, but yo, eventually, I'm gonna get the wrap done on the Lude. But who knows? As I may have mentioned before, it might be a different color. Yeah. Alright, y'all, see you on the next one. Yeah.